You want to run it?
Hell no.
We'll see, maybe. But we'll try. Get it, my boy. Thank you. I always forget to tuck them. I'm gonna get him, watch this. I'm gonna get him. Oh! I'm sorry, bro. I let the intrusive thoughts win. I'm sorry. I'm sneaky. There. I'll get myself back. Do you ever get intrusive thoughts to just go up one of those? Do you ever just want to like ride up that? What? Do you ever just want to like ride up that? I hope you guys can see. I put on the lightest ND filter, so hopefully it's not like nighttime right now. I hope you guys can see everything, but that's okay. It's probably fine. The sunset just looks really nice. I like the colors, but not this crusty, dusty, dirty road. No sir. No sir, not me. Is that a bike lane? Get it. What's he listening to right now? Just look at that sky. Just look at it. Mama. I think we were supposed to turn left. I don't even have a destination. I'm trying to figure out where to go. Maybe we can turn left up here. Look at those cows. That's about all we got in Oklahoma. We got 20-foot trees. No trees are taller than 20 foot. And cows. Cow pastures and flat grass. Flat earth. We don't even have hills here. I think that was our left turn.